Hello everyone and welcome back to this course that is History of Microsoft Dynamics 365. In this lecture we will see module number 7 where we will cover major changes in Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2015. In previous lecture we have seen the major changes in Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2013 along with the new changes and the platform improvements for CRM 2013 version. So let us now see a brief introduction about Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2015. Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2015 was released in the fourth quarter of 2014. It was branded as Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2015. So we know that in the previous version, Microsoft has targeting two different tablets and mobile clients. So with this, they have enhanced their UI to a slider form. So now the moment you click these three ellipses, a slider or the drop down will come up, which will show the 5 different workplace or modules, and whenever you click one of the tile, then it will display the required entities and the groupings for that entities. So now it was a little bit easier to navigate to a particular entity from that module. And along with that, new CRM online administration experience was also launched. So with this release, many new features and platform improvements were done by Microsoft. So let us now see what were those improvements and key changes that were done in Dynamics CRM 2015 version. Majority of the issues faced whenever they are accessing CRM from tablets were handled by Microsoft. So improved CRM apps for tablets, working offline users draft to create new CRM records and synchronize the changes, and homepage build an app homepage personalized with the pinned records or dashboard views. Enhanced user interface for fewer clicks with introduction of slider bar. Enhanced business process flows. Now you can add branching logic for guided processes. Another improvement to business process flow is the introduction of client API, enabling complete programmable access. Using JavaScript code, processes can be set to improve the transition between flow stages and ensure that users are working on correct step. So these were few changes done on the business process flow side, and they have also improved business rules, and they have also done some search improvements. So now you can perform global search for a one particular record from the navigation bar. They have also done Outlook and sync enhancements. Additional phone and address fields are available for field level synchronization. And on top of that, they have also done some SLA enhancements. So there is now specific tab within the system settings for service. In CRM 2015, SLAs can be paused and resumed based upon a status reasons. And they have also done some enhancements on the product entity. So now sales operation managers can easily configure product offerings that can bundle related products together and provide tailored price list, giving sellers the ability to position the best products at the best price. Another improvement from the field security level point of view, field security level are now enabled for standard CRM fields as well. So let us now see what were the new features that were added with this version. And one of the most interesting and my favorite feature that was added in CRM 2015 was calculated and roll-up fields. They have also added a new feature called hierarchy visualization. So it was possible to see the account and all the child accounts and related information in a hierarchical visualization form. They have also added client-side API, and with this version they have added a new feature called nested quick create forms. Quick create forms were added in CRM 2013, but now it was possible to create nested quick create forms as well. Now global search features was also added, and with this version CRM online administration experience was also added. So CRM online market available is expanding. System administrators can self-provision the instances from Office 365 and choose from 60 different markets that were available at that time. Now new Outlook configuration wizard has also been launched. Dynamics CRM 2015 features a redesigned Outlook configuration wizard to simplify the process of setting up CRM and an Outlook integration. So Microsoft Dynamics CRM online customers with minimum of 10 professional users automatically have access to social listening as a part of their subscription at no additional charge. So Microsoft Social Listening was one of the powerful tools to monitor your social media presence, what customers are saying on various social media channels. You can also add customizable help, personalize the user assistance by tailoring the in-product help content to match the specifics of your dynamic CRM implementation. Now you also have a campaign management console. The new CRM 2015 edition has been announced to include complex multi-condition triggers to fine-tune the responses, embedded cross campaigns, offer alpha or beta testing. So these are few of the new features that were added in Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2015. So let us now see a few limitations as well. Up until now, whenever you want to use a CRM application from your mobile phones or tablets, you always have to be connected to your internet. So till now, no mobile offline support was available. You always needed an internet connection to use CRM data from your mobile devices. There was no provision to invoke business rules from business process flow. Let me now conclude this module. Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2015 brings powerful improvements to products, which in turn will translate into more intuitive and guided experience for users. So without a doubt, Microsoft was listening to its customer by devoting more resources and developing this Dynamics 365 platform. So on that note, I will wind up this lecture. In next lecture, we will see the major changes in Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2016. So I hope to see you all in the next lecture. Till then, bye bye and take care.